Okay, I've got this Yale. It's a phone lock, rotary phone lock. Uh, you put that in the hole where your fingers go, and then you can lock it up. I've had it for a while, and it's just been sitting there, so I figured I'll pick it and get it out of the way. Okay, as you see, it does work, and it is locked up. Here's the bitting. I believe it's 5 pin. Actually, I believe it's wafer. I've not really looked inside the lock, messed with the lock, done anything with the lock, to be honest. So, I think I can tension it like that. And there it is. Open. So it is wafer, so it easy pick. But I figured since it's a Yale, and since I've got it, might as well pick it. So here is the Yale 5 wafer rotary phone lock. Alright, everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And time to go open some houses. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.